Разные мысли, но сейчас это правда, сейчас такое время нужно решить. Я буду баллотироваться на должность президента.
Не только устно показал, видеоматериалы. Безусловно, сейчас там ситуацию.
We haven't determined where, but we had some very good talks with President Putin today, and there's a very good chance that we could be ending the.
Intentionnel ou non, accidentel ou non, tout cela est très grave, tout cela est absolument inacceptable. Tout cela vient s'ajouter aux innombrables provocations de Vladimir Poutine qui voudrait faire croire que ce sont les Européens qui sont des va-t-en-guerre alors qu'il se permet de faire des incursions sur le territoire de pays européens. Et nous y avons répondu avec force. Je veux vous dire que quand des avions polonais, mais aussi néerlandais et italiens abattent des drones russes quelques dizaines de kilomètres dans la profondeur du territoire polonais, c'est une réaction très forte et la décision du président de la République démontre notre intention de ne pas nous laisser intimider.
What this shows is that we will defend every inch of NATO territory. Every inch of Allied territory, all 32 allies. And whatever the intent was behind this, yes or no, and whether it was a mistake or not, we are still looking into that. It was reckless, it was unacceptable. These are Russian drones, and it is extremely serious what happened last Wednesday. So obviously, we would not be sitting here like this if then NATO would not immediately come into action and defend every inch of territory, this Allied territory. That's exactly what we have done. And in the end, it's up to Russia how far they will take this. We will defend ourselves. This is about the eastern flank, because here is a direct threat to the eastern flank from, for example, drones or whatever could threaten our allies on the eastern flank. But more generally speaking, you know I don't like that whole eastern flank thinking because it gives the impression that if I live in Madrid or in London, I am safer than when I live in Tallinn. And that's not true. Because these latest Russian missiles, when they will be launched, they come down with 5 times the speed of sound. And they will take 5 or 10 minutes longer to reach Madrid or London than they take to reach Tallinn or Vilnius. So in that sense, let's agree that within this alliance of 32 countries, we all live on the eastern flank.